Okay, Fox. So we had, I had shared on behalf of Price Action Monk. This is a buying zone, perfect buying zone, and you see what happened here, right? Market came to this area, okay, and trapped all the sellers at these locations, okay, because this was the previous important swing, okay, where I was expecting some sort of this kind of momentum, and exactly that happened. It trapped and boom, it went up. So let's talk about the current scenarios in Bank Nifty. Okay. So here you can see, let me just delete it because now this zone is no more valid, because it's recently reacted, right? You see, this is the previous leg, right, which broken, which is responsible for structure break, right? So Bank Nifty is bullish until Bank Nifty is bullish until Bank Nifty is trading above this. Okay. So until Bank Nifty is trading above this level, and what is this level? Almost 43,344. Okay. So until we are 43,300, we can say in rough, right? We are in the buy side. We are still the buyers are strong, right? And you can see, right, market taken a strong momentum, a deep pullback, and again a second deeper pullback. So two time deeper pullback. This actually, in the terms of price action, it have two meanings. First, which is, in case of reversal it happens, the market is getting weaker, because if multiple time weak pullback happens and market failed to break the previous high for multiple time, like multiple attempt, then it's a sign of a, like a reversal is about to come. And second, if it breaks, maybe in next trading session, if it breaks and take a retest, then it will be a sign of strong support. This area will act as a strong support because this is a range. Okay. So will act as a range break, but whatever it is, now this is a very important range. If it breaks to the upside, we will see a strong rally. If it breaks to the downside also, we'll see a strong rally. Chances are high it can act as a strong rally to the upside. Reason is simple. You can see here some seller trap happen, right? Means market came down, hunt SL of all the buyers, and ask seller to sell here. All sellers sell, they taken a sell position and immediately trapped sellers also. So buyers trapped, then sellers trapped, and then it making this range. So this makes sense to me. Why? Because sellers are the one who trapped at last. Okay, so what trapped at last, the market could go in opposite direction, right? So after seller trap, already this head and shoulder which it formed, right, already it's given the target of the head and shoulder, right, at this area. Now this range is formed, so chances are also high this range will act to the upside, because last trading session also here some seller trap happened, right? So every time market is trapping sellers, that is a sign which, talking in terms of probability, buyers are strong here in this scenario, right? So what is my view? My view is we can think of buying. We can think of buying still. Okay. And let's go and analyze the monthly chart, because monthly chart is also very very important. Let me hide all the drawings, and we'll see how monthly chart look like. Extremely beautiful chart. You see, the market made a kind of a cup pattern, and you see in this chart a strong, a strong to the upside, like kind of an N pattern also, like the way it made here also an N pattern, this one, right? Let me take a pen so I can explain this. So here you see, okay, 1 minute. Yeah, here you see, okay, it's hanging, maybe some reason. Okay, so you see this was a strong, deep pullback and kind of a break of N. Similarly, this pattern is being formed here, right? So it's a good sign for buyers also. Okay, now let's come to the weekly chart and we'll see what's going on in the weekly chart. You can see the weekly, closings. Buyers are still pushing the market on the weekly levels. You see the candles, you see this kind of candle where wicks are there on the lower side, still stronger. And if I draw some trend line here, let me see if I can draw some trend line. As soon as I will draw, this will come. Okay, so we came almost near to the trend line. It was great if we came up to here, then we shown some sort of reversal, then it was much more convenient for me. Okay, but anyway, we came near to this. Okay, we are going to break this high probably. So maybe it can break the high and again can take some pullback, and then it can go up, or it can break it down, or can show some pullback again. Okay, like this, anything is possible. But now, as of now, as an intraday trader, I should not worry much about, let me close this. Yeah, I should not worry much about what will happen after 1 month. My focus is clear. Right now we are about to break a range, so as soon as the range will be broken, I would love to participate in some sort of buying rally. Okay, probably it will be a great place. Mark this zone. If this zone market breaks, okay, let it be like a violet because it could be a turncoat. So if market breaks this area and then it comes back to this area, I am not gonna miss the trade. I'm trying to buy here. I'm not trying to buy probably as soon as it breaks because it could be a fake out. But when it comes here and give me some sort of bullish engulfing hammer, or at the lowest time frame, like 1 minute, some trend line break at this zone, just simply go ahead. Okay, simply go ahead and enter in the trade. Even in my bank nifty trading zones, I had explained this concept. You know, so, yep, that's all about my view for upcoming week. Let's see how it's reacting. My view will be catching this kind of trade, or maybe if it is coming down also, I have to check on the lower time frame. But as of now, it giving me this kind of momentum in upcoming future, but it could also show this kind of momentum as well. Nobody knows, right? But we are in a very important, then it's also well and good. Then we'll, if somewhere here it opens, then we will wait for market to come here and then we will buy. Okay, so this is my view. The previous week I had given this area we will buy, and you see the market from this area aggressively. Okay, so this is all about bank nifty. That's all.